Want to unlock the growth of your business? Discover the benefits of MSME registrations. Guys, today together we'll explore that what are the benefits of registering your business as a micro, small or a medium enterprise in India. And trust me, you'll wonder why you haven't done this already. And I am coming from an experience of 2 clients recently have registered as an MSME and are reaping innumerable benefits after that. So let's see how it can benefit you as well. So guys, first and the foremost is obviously the financial benefits. Imagine getting a loan worth rupees 5 crores without needing to mortgage your house or without even the urge to go to your relatives and ask them to be your guarantor. That is what SIDBI does. So guys, Small Industrial Development Bank of India act as your guardian angel, become your collateral and you get a collateral free loan. And ladies, listen up. Under the Startup India scheme, women entrepreneur can get up to rupees 1 crore in loan without any collateral. Who needs a knight in a charming armor when you have government backing you up? And here go the third financial benefit. Under the Prime Minister Employment Guarantee Scheme, you can get a loan up to rupees 25 lakh if you are running a manufacturing unit and up to rupees 10 lakh if you are running any service unit. That's more than enough, guys, to just start your businesses. Now let's talk about the second benefit, that is the tax exemption. Have you just started with your business and you want to breathe in easy? So guys, if your sales are up to rupees 40 lakhs in a manufacturing unit and up to rupees 20 lakhs in a sales unit, you don't even need to bother to get a GST registration. That's a whole lot of paperwork, guys, you can just avoid by registering yourself as an MSME. Let's now talk about the third benefit that you are getting in the package, that is the lower and subsidized interest rate. Why do you need to pay more when you can pay less? MSME enjoys loan interest rate that are 1.5% lower than that what these fancy private banks offer to the big corporates. It's like getting a VIP discount just for being smart enough to register yourself as an MSME in India. Now let's talk about the fourth benefit, that is payment protection and support. First, let's talk about the delayed payment protection that is under Section 15 of the MSME Act. Are you sick of waiting for the payments? Here's some muscle to you. So if a payment is delayed beyond a period of 15 days, the debtor who owes you the money cannot claim any rebate and that amount will be computed as income in the debtor's income tax return. And over and above that, you will be getting an additional 3% interest over the interest that bank rates offer, and that too compounded monthly. Now, this is what exactly MSME Act ensures for you if your money is not being paid timely. That is beyond 15 days of delay. So talking about the next benefit in payment and protection support is talking about Micro and Small Enterprise Facilitation Council. It is also known as MSEFC. So guys, you can lodge your complaint with MSEFC in case of any disputes with any party, money recoveries, everything. And this agency, MSEFC, act as your personal debt collector with definitely much more authority and definitely a lot less hassle. And lastly, talking about the arbitrations under the payment and protection support. So it's like normal arbitrations that you do with other companies, but the benefit about it is that if you get an award in your favor and the other party wants to challenge that award, they have to deposit 75% of the awarded amount even before they have to challenge that award. And this means that even if the award is contested, you're still getting a significant portion of the award. The fifth benefit that you guys get in this MSME package is the subsidies and concessions. You get 50% concession in the fees that you pay for your trademark registration, for your patent registration. So you can protect your brands without even burning a hole in your pocket. Talking about the electricity concessions and subsidies, you even get a subsidy in your electricity bill, making it up for all those overheads. Third is the ISO certification. Quality matters, but so does the cost. You get 100% refund of your ISO certification fees. So that's just a quality boost of your product without a price tag. The next benefit is your refund of your credit rating fees. Ever thought that these credit rating agencies are just another way to squeeze money out of your pocket? Not for MSME, guys. The fees that you pay to credit rating agencies for your CIBIL score are actually refunded if you're registered as an MSME. So it's like just a cashback offer, but even way more cooler. So let me quickly tell you about some other perks and benefits that you get for registering yourself as an MSME in India. The first one being the trade fair participation. So if you want to showcase your business in the biggest trade fair of any state in India, the fees for participation in the trade fair is returned to you by the government. So it's like participating in the biggest networking event without even having to pay any fees. Want to do business with government? So if you participate in any government tenders, MSME get a leg up and a preferential treatment compared to all those big corporates. And not just that, you get to even deposit a lesser amount of security deposit. So it's like having a backstage pass to the biggest gig in the town. After hearing to all these benefits, if you are a micro, small or a medium enterprise running your business in India, go and register yourself as an MSME under the MSME Act. Share this video with someone who might need it, and I will see you in my next video.